In this video, we're going to learn how to connect locally to our StartOS server. Connecting locally simply means that your server and the device you're connecting with are on the same network. Traffic stays inside your LAN and doesn't go out to the public internet. So this is going to be the simplest and fastest way to get access. The first way to connect is with your .local address. Each StartOS server is going to be assigned an adjective-noun.local domain. Multicast DNS is translating this domain into your server's local IP address. And this domain is going to work even if your router assigns a new IP address to your server. You can find your local address in a few different places. Your StartOS info HTML file that you are prompted to download after initial setup of your server. You can also find it in your root certificate authority file, or if you're on the dashboard, under Systems, StartOS UI, and underneath Addresses. The second way to connect locally is by using your server's IP address, and you can find this in a few different ways. From the StartOS dashboard, under Systems, StartOS UI, and under Addresses. You can also find it in your router's dashboard under Connected Devices. Or if you go into your terminal or command prompt, you can ping the .local domain. To prevent your router from changing this IP address, it's highly recommended that you assign your server a static IP. And this is going to be necessary if you plan to access your server remotely. Giving your server a static IP is going to make it just as reliable as using the .local domain. Every router can support this, but it may be labeled a little bit differently depending on the router that you have. So make sure to check your user manual for your specific instructions. To connect, confirm that your device is on the same network as your server. If you have not done so already, go and trust your server's root certificate authority on your device. Then enter your server's .local domain or local IP address into a web browser. And that's it. You are now connected directly to your StartOS server over your local network.